All right. Well, good morning. So, I got to work a little bit early, and I felt that I needed to update you guys because I was promising you an Easter Sunday ride video, and I don't have that. I never posted it. It's been a couple weeks now, and there's a reason for that. So, my Easter Sunday ride, it's a good one. Story time. Easter Sunday. I wake up 4 o'clock in the morning with my wife. She's getting ready to go to work. I'm getting ready to go for my ride. 4:45, wife leaves to go to work. I hop on the bike, hit record on the GoPro, make my intro, start riding. Now, Easter Sunday, I rode 850 miles. Took me 17 hours, 8 fuel stops, $10 a fuel stop, and I avoided tolls. Cost me $80 to get from southern Maine to Durham, North Carolina. 850 miles, 17 hours. All straight. Only stopped to stretch, fuel up, get food. Other than that, 75, 80 miles an hour the whole way. So, Massachusetts, I lost the temporary license plate on the back of my motorcycle. As some of you know, I got a vanity plate, so until that comes in the mail, I got a temporary, stupid little fucking cardboard thing. And, lost that somewhere in Massachusetts. Somewhere between New Hampshire and Massachusetts. So literally within the first hour of my ride, I lost my temporary plate on the back of the bike. So, at that point, I'm almost an hour into my ride. Do I turn around and go home? Or do I keep going? And I said, frick it. Frick it. Sent it. 17 hours, 850 miles. Meow! Sent it. Doing great till about the 6 hour mark, and then I started getting real sore, real crampy. 6 hours was roughly coming into New York-ish area from coming down into New York, southern New York. And, that's when it got interesting. For sure. So, the Bronx, 95, GW Bridge, 300cc bike. Sketchy! Survived it. Crossed the bridge. Going to Jersey. Ripping through Jersey. Meow. Getting ready to... Coming up to the end of the New Jersey Turnpike. You can see the last thing there. I can see it. I can see it. And, got pulled over. I could see, Virginia. I could see the border. Got pulled over. Cool cop. Pretty chill. Gave me a warning for speeding coming down the hill. Gave me a warning for no license plate because I was able to show proof of registration and stuff like that. Thanked me for not running. So don't run, guys. Just pull over. Run a plate, Don't be stupid. Don't continue driving if you lose your plate. I don't know what to tell you. But anyway, I digress. Cool cop. Talked to me about the bike. Asked me what it cost to get one. Blah, blah, blah. Gave him my spiel. Told him where I'm coming from. Said I'm coming from Maine. He says, holy crap! I said, yep. Been on the road since 4:45 this morning. He goes, holy crap! I said, yep. Gives me the warning. Says, but just keep in mind, if I do see you on your return trip home, I'm going to impound the bike. Aye, aye, officer. Kept going. Same thing happened again. Make it, a couple hours down the road, get popped in Virginia somewhere. I think it was Virginia. Same thing. Cool cop. Talked to me about the bike. First thing he says to me is, "Where's your license plate?" Well, officer, give him the whole spiel. The whole same spiel I'm giving you. And, basically same thing. Gives me a warning for license plate. That's the only reason he pulled me over, no license plate. And also said, but keep in mind, if I see you on your way back through, I'm going to impound the bike. Aye, aye, officer. Make it a little ways down the road, get to a Wawa station. Need gas, need a Monster. And so I pump up gas. I push my bike over to a parking spot next to like a bench. And this guy comes over to me. He's like, "Hey, man, like, you look like, as a fellow rider, you look exhausted. You need more than that Monster." He's like, "Where are you coming from?" And I told him Maine. And he's like, "Holy crap, like, you're insane. That's only at 300. Like, how long have you been riding?" I started at 4:45 this morning. At this point, it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. He's like, "You're nuts." And he tries feeding me, like, giving me a sandwich, and tries giving me his McDonald's, I don't know, whatever drink he had for McDonald's. Smoothie, that's what it was. I was like, I can't take the smoothie, but I took the sandwich. I put it in my backpack just in case I got hungry. Carried on, right? I get to my very last fuel stop. I'm 45 minutes from my brother's house. Get to my very last fuel stop. Lovely lady at the gas station. She can tell I'm tired. She can tell I'm sore. She goes, "Well, I'm kind of a healer. Do you mind if I pray for you?" I said, "If you want to pray for me while I'm pumping my gas, ma'am, feel free. You go right ahead, What could it hurt?" So I start pumping my gas, and she comes over, and she asks me what's sore, and I tell her my back is sore. And, it's about the only thing that was sore on me was my lower back. And, yeah, so she put her hand on my lower back, prayed for me, prayed that the rest of my ride be smooth, and my back made my back not hurt, and we continued on my way. I got to my brother's house at 10:45 at night. He had absolutely no clue I was coming. He cried. Don't let anybody ever tell you differently. He cried. I seen it. His wife seen it. We seen it. We seen you. So, yeah, but that was my Easter Sunday ride. It was interesting, to say the least. I left the bike down in North Carolina at my brother's house because I'm not trying to get my bike impounded in New Jersey, come back to get it, and have the thing be stripped of all the parts I just put on it. So, bikes in North Carolina, it's safe. I flew home. I'm going back down 4th of July weekend anyway. So I'll take the truck, I'll load it in the back of the truck and bring it home. Till then, I have Brian's bike I can ride. So I just got to figure out a helmet because I left my helmet with my GoPro mounts and stuff on it in New Jersey. I have my GoPro, don't have my helmet. So got to figure that one out. But sorry, it's literally just a 10-minute video of me talking, but I figured you guys needed an update and would like to know why I never posted the Easter Sunday ride video that I kept saying I was going to post. But that is why. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Leave a comment. Have you ever done any crazy 850-mile rides like I just did in one shot by yourself, no one else riding with you? Let me know how it went. Was it on a 300cc, 1000cc, a cruiser? What was it? What were you riding? Let me know.